Tested long drive with style. I got you ulit. Dinala namin ng Batangas, Naik, Silang Cavite at kung saan-saan pa. And so far, napakaganda niya manakbo at napakasarap sumakay. This is the 2007 Toyota Camry 2.4V automatic. Exterior wise, fresh original paint, auto retractable side mirrors, may turn signals dito, 20 inches TTE mags with brand new tires. At dito naman sa harap, projector headlamps, LED fog lamps, chrome grille at Euro plate na red fraction. Under the hood, meron ka ditong 2.4 liter 4-cylinder automatic transmission gasoline engine na super healthy. Walang talsek, walang bulwak at maganda yung circulation. Long drive tested namin to. At dito sa interior, hindi naman sa pagmamayabang pero super intact pa lahat, lalo na pag nakita nyo sa personal. Intact na headliner, intact na leather seat, intact na steering wheel, intact na dashboard at yung wooden trims niya buo pa lahat. At yung ride and comfort niya super smooth. Kaya kung gusto mo to, 385,000 pesos lang to. Reserve mo na. Peace out.